Bonjour, Benoît Goujon.
Bonjour.
On doit le faire en anglais, on a dit. On recommence alors. Vous nous avez embrouillé. Benoît Goujon, hello.
Hello.
You're the director of the sector of telecommunication and media for IBM France.
Yes.
And you conveyed a study on how customers perceive their telecommunication operators. Can you tell us more about this survey?
Absolutely. So we ran this survey in Q2 2011 in 24 countries all over the world. We have surveyed in the range of 13,000 consumers, and they gave us their feedback on what's going on in the telephony for themselves. It has been very interesting as we see there are 5 or 6 key items. Number one is that telephony industry is becoming like a commoditized industry, and the consumers are very sensitive to the price, especially in Europe, so they are very keen to have a lower price. The second learning point is that there is a big gap in the perception they've got of the value of the operator. The value for money is far below what the operator wants to deliver to them, and they are not very happy, especially with call centers. The third point, which is very key, is that they love their device. They love the smartphone, they love the services and the new usages offered by Apple, Google, and so on. And in their style and value, they personalize their usage of telecom with their smartphone. Beyond that, they are looking for new usages, and this is an open world where all key stakeholders can have business opportunities. Operators, device, startups, and so on can bring a new value on the marketplace. For example, in the range of 55 to 60% of the people surveyed would like to have system which helps them when they've got a medication, when they need to have to take drugs and so on, or pills. And so, for example, that the system tells them you need to take it at 8 a.m. or you need to have this, or you need to go to the GP and so on. So this is really very interesting. There are other cases, for example, for public transportation. They look for more location-based services. They look for many services in insurance. They would like to get coupons in the retail business. The industry, which is very different by country, is in the banking, because the customer experience in the banking and retail banking domain is very different from country to country. Bottom line, they want to decrease their cash out in the telephone industry in Europe, but they need new services, so there is the mean to grow. And in emerging markets, they really are in a fast-moving domain, much more than in Europe.
And what was the purpose for IBM to convey such a survey?
The purpose is that we are working on many domains with telecom operators all over the world. We work a lot on business analytics. We work a lot with them to optimize their capex in the network. We work a lot with them on how to reduce the churn. We work a lot with them on what is the right fit of the offerings vis-à-vis the demand of the users. So working on those topics is being very key for us to have a deep understanding of what's going on for their own clients, so that we can develop and build up systems which have got real value and a real return on investment on a very short delay for them on the market.
And so how does this survey help you to bring out new strategies?
It helps us twofold. There is one fold, which is it helps our clients to benchmark each other where they are good or bad compared to their competitors. The second aspect is that it helps them to know that we've got preliminary offerings like in call centers, where we can help them to have with a special know-how we've got and assets in software, which helps them to optimize and improve their service very fast.
All right, one last question. Why do you come to the DigiWorld Summit? Why is it important for you?
DigiWorld is a very unique place for us to meet our peers, to meet some of our competitors, to meet some of our clients, to meet startups who have bright ideas, and to work with them to extend our set of partners across Europe. So it is a very unique place where we come every year, and we've been there for ages, and we are very happy to work with EDAT and DigiWorld on this purpose.
Is it an important event in France?
For us, it's a very important event because it is a unique day in the year where we meet everybody on the same location.
All right, so thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Bye-bye.
Bye.